Okay, let's attempt another question now on elimination method. All right. Okay. Here we go. 7x minus 5y is equal to 11, and then you have 7x plus 4y is equal to 29. Okay. Now I want you to pay a close attention to these two equations I've just mentioned above. The first one is what? 7x minus 5y is equal to 11, and the second one is 7x plus 4y is equal to 29. Now take note, if you check very well, I've told you, try as much as possible to assess the unknowns that you are having for any two linear equations that you have been given as simultaneous equations that you're going to solve using the elimination method. So check the unknowns first. Look at the coefficients of the unknowns and then look closely to see the one you can easily eliminate. Now, if you check very well from the two equations, now you can see that my first equation, I have 7x. My second equation, I still have 7x. As a matter of fact, they are just like numbers. So it's going to be easier for me to just eliminate x, and then I'll now focus my attention and my energy on y. And after I'm done with solving y, I will now go back to x and then deal with x. But for now, if you check very well now, you see that x is the unknown that is supposed to go. Okay, so to solve this now, we will just introduce the subtraction sign. All right, so it means that we're going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. In other words, 7x minus 5y is equal to 11 is going to subtract 7x plus 4y is equal to 29. So if you do that, it's now going to be 7x minus 5y is equal to 11. Subtracting now, you put a subtraction sign by the side, and then you have 7x plus 4y is equal to 29. Okay, now if you do that, 7x minus 7x will give you what? Give you 0 to cancel out. You're now left with minus 5y minus plus 4y. Remember that the 4y is what's positive, while the 5y is negative. So if you say minus 5 minus plus 4, minus plus will change to what? Minus. So you're now having minus 5 minus 4y. Minus 5y minus 4y. That will give you minus 9y. Now, you've been able to get that minus 9y at this side of the equation. So let's check the other side. Remember, the first equation was equated to 11, and then the second one we have 29. So it means you have 11 minus 29. So it means you're going to have minus 18 here. So you have minus 9y over here, and then you have minus 18 here. At this point, I've told several times, when you have this, the best thing you need to do at this point is to do what? Is to divide both sides by the coefficient of the unknown. The coefficient of the unknown in this case now is what? Minus 9, because minus 9 is the number that's with the unknown, which is what? Y. So you now divide both sides of this equation by minus 9. Minus 9 is the unknown. Minus 9 is the number you're supposed to use to what? Divide. So you divide this side by minus 9 and divide this side by the minus 9. Now, minus 9 will go into minus 9 and to cancel out as 1, and so you have y left. And then you're dividing your minus 18 by minus 9. Of course, the minus will strike out the minus, and your 18 divided by 9 is going to give you 2. And then your y is now what? 2. Simple! So now that you've gotten y as 2, just go straight to one of the equations above and insert your 2 as y in any of the equations, and then see if you can actually solve that equation.